Well, this has got to be the prettiest wood I've ever had in Cammy's garage. This is Mahogany. This is a piece I got recently, but I got a pretty good deal on the wood, so that's why I bought it. Although longtime viewers might recognize this. I made this about 1.5 years ago for a different project that eventually failed, but I hung on to it, and I think it goes perfectly with this bowl. So this is going to go up on my Etsy store pretty soon, if it's not up already. I'm very happy with how this turned out. Really excited about it. And I hope you enjoyed watching Cammy's Garage.